Hi, welcome to my review on my new Indesit My Time EWE 91482W washing machine with a 9kg drum and an RPM speed of 1400. The main feature with the washing machine is it has 6 everyday programs, which means you can wash your clothes within the hour. These include Program 1, Mix Colours, Program 2, Cotton 60, Program 3, Cotton 40, Program 4, Synthetics, Program 5, Mix, Program 6, Express. The washer has a lovely digital display, and as you can see, Program 1 is 59 minutes, Program 2 is 59 minutes, Program 3 is 45 minutes, Program 4 is 59 minutes, Program 5 is 30 minutes, and Program 6 is just 20 minutes. Other programs include Number 7, Gym Kit. Number 8, Sports Shoes. Number 9, Baby. Number 10, Rinse. Number 11, Spin and Drain. Number 12, Duvet. Number 13, Wool. 14, Silken Curtains. 15, Eco Cotton. 16, Cotton. Other features include Extra Wash, Extra Rinse, Energy Saver and Key Lock. The Indesit also comes with a 10-year parts guarantee. I have preloaded the washing machine and I am going to choose Program 6, which is just a 20-minute wash. To start the wash, there is a start pause button. The washing machine is very quiet. Other features of the washing machine is Water Balance Plus. This means, depending on what program you choose, it puts enough water into the drum to allow for what program you have chosen to use. You can pause the wash by simply pressing pause. This will stop the cycle, and to resume, start. Overall, the Indesit washing machine is great for family life. and a fantastic programs